Hello, lovely. Dr. Purcell here, and you're watching straight from the doctor's desk, where we talk about all things related to women's health and hormones. I'm sharing a healthy and delicious vegetable recipe with you today, and it's baked eggplant cutlets. So just imagine this. You're about to pull a tray of golden, garlicky, baked eggplant cutlets from the oven. No eggs, no dairy, no gluten, just plant-powered crunch. So let's make it happen. And the reason why your body loves this dish so much is because eggplant's purple skin is loaded with antioxidants that support brain health. I know, and that is at the top of everyone's mind these days. Flax, which is what we use for the batter, adds plant-based omega-3s and prebiotics for your happy little digestive system. And of course, we're going to bake them, not fry them, which keeps the oil level low so you can enjoy this yummy, crunchy comfort food minus the digestive drag, the heaviness, the bloating. By the way, it's super easy to make your own gluten-free breadcrumbs. I usually just save the ends of my gluten-free bread, or if I've got a couple of extra gluten-free hamburger rolls, and I let them dry out so that they're nice and hard and stale. Then I crumble them up, put them in the food processor, and I blend them into a powder. And from there, you can add whatever dried herbs and spices you want, such as garlic powder, basil, parsley, oregano, crushed red pepper, and salt. So you just store the seasoned mixture in a jar in your pantry, and I hope that you enjoy the recipe below. Bon appetit.